So today I'd like to introduce our new student, George, from Athens, Greece. So he actually started our program just few weeks ago, but he already passed A1 writing course. Why? Because he already has proficiency test N4. He already passed back in many years, he said. But why he started again from the beginning? Because he want to refresh his Japanese language skill. Also, he want to improve his Japanese. He said this is what I want. I've never worked at something that I like, but he said this is what I want, and I want to improve. I want to focus for his future, and I cannot wait to see his improvement. Also, he's interested in the instructor course. So let's check his first introduction, and congratulations, George, and I cannot wait to see your future.
皆さん、こんにちは。私はドガーノグルジョージです。よろしくお願いします。名字はドガーノグルです。36歳です。ギリシャのアテネに住んでいます。もしギリシャがどこにあるかわからなかったら、イタリアとトルコの間ぐらいです。アテネのおすすめは街歩きと考古学博物館に行くことです。私は家に3人と10匹と一緒に住んでいます。お仕事について私はテルミさんの生徒ですから毎日日本語を勉強しています。私の趣味は音楽鑑賞と映画鑑賞と運動したり、太極拳をしたり、自己啓発です。これたちは私の自己紹介です。よろしくお願いします。